to make them arses go as red as possible in the power of slapping, you can slap the arses as hard as you can, as fast as you can. You need to make these arses really red. Right, wait, stop shagging him from behind. You're slapping his arse, do you understand? You're slapping his arse, right? They've been very naughty boys. You need to slap him as much as you can. Hey, oh, right, happening then. Now listen girls, do not hold back. You need to slap them as hard as you can. It's the reddest arse is the winner. Are you ready? 3, 2. Put your shirt up, son. Put your shirt up. Hold it there. 3, 2, 1, go! Put your hands up there. Get slapping. Put your hands up there. Turn around. She'll rub it better after. Go on. Have you given up? Stop what you're doing, Dave. This guy's just bottled it. Turn around. Let's have a go at it is.